Greetings guys. Today I have ordered this IR thermometer from Amazon, and as you can see, it comes in a very transparent PVC packing, and it has some sort of security tape. However, the bottom is still open, I guess, so I cannot predict whether it's used item or it's new one, right? And Dr. Veku is the brand. As you can see, it has this sort of functionality. And these are its detail. So first of all, let us try to open this up from here, and by this we can verify that how tamper proof the packing really is. And as you can see, it opens up without any hassle, so I'm sure someone has returned it or might have used it. But and what's inside? Okay, so the box is empty. It has 2 battery. Okay, Duracell, that's quite good. Manuals, QC certificate, so I guess it's genuine. And this is the actual device. And so yeah, that's it. Thank you for being here.